With the blessings of Lord Madurai Meenakshi Sundareswara, the astrological predictions based upon the natal moon, or sun sign, or lagna are given for each Rasi. The predictions are calculated on the basis of ephemeris using Kanita Panchanga method. Sun sign is same for all who born in a particular solar month. Moon sign is same for all who born in a particular place for every 2.25 days. Lagna is same for all who born on a particular day in a particular place with a time interval of approximately with 2 hours. Each Rasi consists of 3 stars and each star is divided into 4 parts. But each Rasi takes only 9 parts out of 12 parts. 3 stars will make 12 parts. Total stars 27 and total parts are 108. 12 signs are divided equally with 9 parts. In some charts, sun sign, that is the sign Rasi in which sun is placed at the time of birth, will be more powerful than the moon sign. And in some cases, Lagna is the most powerful comparing to other 2 points. Moon sign is linked with mind and emotion. Sun sign is linked with soul and willpower. And Lagna sign is linked with the body and its karma with the destiny. All the 3 are important, but the strongest among them will only predominantly speak. May the blessings of Navagrahas be showered upon all the readers. Good luck. Mars in 11th house till 15th and moves to 12th and 16th. Jupiter and Saturn are in their own signs in the 8th and 9th house respectively. From 1st August onwards, Venus is joining with Rahu in 2nd house. Mercury will move from 2nd house to 3rd house from 2nd August and further moves to 4th house from 17th August. Sun is in 3rd house till 16th August and moves to 4th house from 17th August. Ketu is in 8th throughout the month. Some unexpected change in the present day life is indicated due to your sign Lord Venus. New environment with novel experiences are noticed. Help from unknown corners is also possible. New ideology in business and money matters will yield good results. Ties with the mother and father bring some friction. Some hurdles also there due to strong Jupiter on 8th house which can be overcome by passions and prayer. Saturn, of course, brings happiness at the end. Unnecessary travels and expenses will be there due to position of Mars in 12th. Business people, salaried working class and government officials are facing normal situation. Obstacles and disturbances will be there and it can be overthrown by putting heavy input. Partners of both life and business may create expensive and unwanted travels. Success is only a little. Litigation, if any, can be postponed. The behavior of children bring unhappiness. Worshipping goddess Lakshmi and Durga will redress worries. It will increase courage and success. Unemployed must wait for a month. Boys and girls who wait for marriage can do prayer on every Thursdays to get good partner. Students should realize the value of time. Kids find time to play. The tired and aged people may pray goddess and they should take rest. Women may find help from relatives and neighbors. Favorable, unfavorable and mixed results dates are given in the table.